give me an ugly haircut.
You guys better not be doing that much shit or else I'm gonna fucking break you off. Ain't you sticking me in your nut?
Hola, soy Dora.
Yo, what's 9 plus 10?
You're gonna get this test hard. Ow. Ow.
What the fuck? Dang, bro, you stupid. What the frick did you do?
I heard you failed your assessment. You know what that means? I'm gonna fucking break your wrist.
Mommy,
Now
please
come back here and
don't.
stand still, you bitch.
Bitch, you
I can't believe you failed your assessment though. You're such a
from me. I
dumbass.
do not want to die, please.
Oh, fuck you.
Finally, I can go
here,
home
bitch.
to my mommy.
I'm gonna break your ass. You failed your assessment, which means you're gonna die.
So I'm an autistic monkey.
I'm hungry. You wouldn't mind if I just eat you up. Hey guys, now be respectful to me and my besties.
What's up, y'all? I'm a material girl.
We're gonna seize your kneecaps.
I'm a little blue.
Oh my god, hi.
Damn, there's a lot of books. I don't know how to
Me
read
neither.
those. Yeah, like we should totally make out after
Oh yeah,
class.
oh what the fuck?
And I'll make the little white. Damn! Oh, help me. My fucking so dumb.
Bitch, you better run.
Oh, fuck no.
Hide away from me. Hide away. Where'd she go?
Yo, I can't breathe.
The fitness gram patient test.
Eat this, bitch. That's it, I'm coming for your soul.
You failed your math test, and you know what that means.
Come here, boy.
Back here, bitch.
Hello,
Me and my besties got your corner. Don't worry.
Bitch, you ain't going
We'll beat you
anywhere.
up so fast that you won't even feel anything.
Your legs.
OMG, yes, BBG, save me.
Bro, what the frick? Oh my god, bro. Bro, what? Bro,
Bitch,
run, you
you're
stupid.
doing?
It's gonna be easy if I don't get my ass out of here.
You can't run from me, bitch. Come back here.
Well,
No,
shit.
not the exit.
Hi, bitch.
You gotta be kidding me.
Got my girl, bitch. Oi. Get back here. Wait.
Uh-oh.
Tee.
Oh, my mouth is so long.
Come here.
Oh, no.
I am going to find you.
Dang, I'm tired. Oh, stupid. The frick happened to. Oh, no, my pookie, bro. What?
Zip Oliver, what the fuck are you
I
doing?
want donuts.